A chapati is the perfect accompaniment to any type of Indian dish. So for this recipe, the ingredients you'll need is 2 cups of wholemeal flour, 1 cup of water, and half a teaspoon of salt. Start by putting your wholemeal flour into a large mixing bowl. Add the salt and mix it well, then add the water. Mix it all together with your hands for a while until the dough is smooth. When it is smooth, simply grab a handful of the dough and start processing it further, making sure that it's smooth all around and forms somewhat of a pancake. It can then be rolled out using a chapati rolling pin to make the chapati very thin. Once it is thin enough, you can then place it on a pan to cook, turning often to avoid it burning. It should take around 1 minute 30 on each side, depending on the temperature of the pan. When the chapatis are cooked, pour some melted butter or ghee onto one and then use it as a mop to cover the rest. Enjoy.